So the kit comes with a block of hard maple for the body, a block of hard maple for the wedge, and enough you can make a couple of them in case you mess up, and then an iron. So let's dive in. I need to go a little more. Right there. Just a hair less than that. That. Maybe it's just my brain. Usually it's just my brain. Not what I want there. There's the bed. But then I need thickness of the iron. Then I put that at the front of the mouth. Slide that up into there. Down to there. It's not needed, but man, it does feel good when you get those really sharp edges. This on here, and it's the difference between this one and this one. That's the mark I want. Work on the nose. Just like that. Yeah, see it's fitting in there better now. Then I want to bring it back to something like here. Bit of a painful to hold on to. I'll take it. That's pretty.
Physically.
Yeah, maple doesn't turn that much. It is wipe on, wipe off, but without the wipe off part. Really heavy beefy curls. Curly wispies. Almost. There's the bottom. Quarter by quarter groove. So there you have it, a grooving plane. This is honestly a very easy, simple project. I made this one after I had been hand tool woodworking for only a few weeks. They are really easy. And I now have the kit available where you can buy the body wood, the iron, and the wedge. It all comes together. You can follow the step-by-step instructions, as well as we also have a class coming up here soon. If you actually want to build along with us, we'll be doing it live, so you can do that online or be in person. But if you want to see one of those or get your own kit, then there's links to those down below. But all that being said, thank you for coming to the channel today. And if you want to help us out, think about putting a comment down below or just hitting comment down below. Thank you. That means a lot. It really helps us get in front of more people, helps the algorithm, you know all that. But on top of that, there are people over here. Those are some of the fantastic, wonderful, benevolent, gorgeous, and amazing people over on Patreon. Between patrons and members, it's people like you that make this channel exist. Without you guys, we would not be here. I wouldn't be able to offer things like this and have some fun in the shop. So if you like that and would like to help out, think about becoming a patron on Patreon or a member here on the channel, clicking the button down below. You know what to do, all those things in the doobly-doo. I think I'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. It's usually around this point that I make a joke about this being a really groovy thing. However, this one isn't that cool. It's not that amazing, and so I really can't say it's groovy. I mean, it's honestly, it's rather plain.